In this lesson, we'll explore the IPA together. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet, but 44 different sounds. That's why I use the IPA to help my students. Let's start with vowels. There are 5 English vowels, A, E, I, O, and U, but there are many vowel sounds. Some are long, some short, and some are just lazy. Let's practice the IPA sounds together.
E, E, U, U, E, O, A, R, O, ear, air, ow, o, a, I, oi, p, f, t, f, ch, s, sh, k, h, b, v, d, v, j, z, ž, g.